This video is an excerpt of our Fall 2024 update video. This discusses the many world firsts that Distri.org was able to accomplish over the summer of 2024. Thanks for watching. When we went to the Microscopy Site of America meeting this summer in Cleveland, we took along a type nerve, this Cretaceous nerve that shows what nerves should look like. You can see this beautiful crosshatch pattern all up and down. We had put this in osmium for quite some time, and it produced a fascinating result. You can see this line of lipid droplets that were squeezed out of the nerve when we put it on the slide. But that changed over time. Every time we photographed it, after a few days, those lipid droplets coalesced together and they made larger blebs as time went on, and eventually it turned into one bubble that moved completely across the slide, and you can see remnants of it in the lower left corner here. So the lipids are fascinating to us, and we used another novel way at the microscopy meeting to look at these lipids and show their shape and presence along the nerve fiber. When we attended the Microscopy Site of America meeting, we went to the Leica booth and we used their confocal microscope, which is a laser-based microscope. It uses unique wavelengths to point at your specimen. Now you can see the thinness of the specimen because it was compressed when we put it under the slide pressure, and that means it was malleable before we even put it on a slide. But you can also see the crosshatch very clearly on both sides of this nerve, and also you can see color differences, and these are a result of the lasers that are used. They have a piece of software that can determine the density of different materials in the nerve, and so we asked them, can you strip away the collagen and show us just the nerve blobs inside of the nerve? And so with their software, they were able to peel away the density of the collagen, which shows up because of the lasers, stripping that all away and showing those lipid droplets present along the whole length of this nerve. So this is a very exciting finding.